Okay, that wasn't good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I lay my wigs when I don't have time to do that whole method of, you know, laying your wigs. This is like the easy, lazy, new way, and it lasts all day. Like my wig stays on all day, and it could even last like two days if I want to, but I like to take it off at night. So let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our wig cap on. My braids are looking a little funky, so don't mind me, okay? But listen. So I'm gonna put my wig cap on. I really need to moisturize my hair. And I have my wig here. This is the hair from RPG hair that I've had since like months now. And I decided, if you guys want to see how I got this hair color, I will definitely link the video so you guys can go ahead and watch it. So what we're gonna go ahead and use is our Got To Be Blasting Freeze Spray. I use this and I just spray that all around the perimeter of my hairline, and I just stick my hair down, and I am good to go for the rest of the day. Okay, so just make sure you align your wig to your hairline. I always start on my left side because I always like to part my hair on this side, so this side always shows more than this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and see where to start spraying by just aligning the wig to make sure that it fits all around, which it should, because I've been wearing it for a while now. But yes, so then I just pull it back. I might need a mirror for this. We're gonna do this in sections, and then you just spray around your hairline, and then you just use your fingers, let it get like a little bit tacky. So like it got a little bit tacky, as you can see, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling the hair. Pull the hair down, just like so, and then I just hold it for like a minute or so. Can't find my comb, gonna hold on to it like this and make sure like it stays. I like to just move the hair back, so make sure like no hair gets in the way of me slaying this wig. The lazy way. So I just press it. If you have like a comb or anything, you just like press, like massage it against it to make sure that it's sticking down, like it's laying down. And you guys, that's pretty much it. And I just repeat the same process for the other side. Over here. Because when you spray it, it starts to like try to go like on your face like this, so you have to just like use your fingers, and you just have to direct it. So, I don't know if I'm in focus or not. Oh my gosh, like I look completely like different. Wow. Crazy how hair changes everything. As you guys can see, the wig is laid, okay? Like, the little piece right here is like lifting up, but nothing I'm like worried about. I could just spray it, but I'm not going to, because like look at this. Baby, we're not going anywhere, okay? Like, we're laid, okay? Look. Make sure my lace looking right though. You know, before I say look, make sure it's looking right. Look at that. See? As you guys can see, hair is laid. And I just go ahead and style the hair whichever way I like, which I don't know what it's gonna be today. Don't know if I want to do like a side part or a middle part. Let me see. And that's it, you guys. Like, that's pretty much how I lay my wigs. Like, this is how I've been laying my wigs for a minute. Like, if I'm on my way to work in the morning, like 10 minutes before I get to work, I literally just start spraying my hair down and like putting the wig on, and I am good to go for the rest of the day. And it doesn't move anywhere. You can do like the up. You can put it up. It's not going anywhere. See? Do whatever you want with it. It's not going anywhere.